Kickoff is moments away from Covenant Health Park in downtown Knoxville. Tormenta visiting One Knox's new home for the first time. Both teams would love to get all 3 points tonight. Let's take a look at the starting 11 for the home side, brought to you by the fastest internet in the world, KUB Fiber. Ian Fuller makes just one change to the side that took the field for 38 minutes against Richmond. That being Sivert Haugli into the defense, shifting Scott McLeod to left back. And since that game against Richmond wasn't completed, Argentinian Sebastian Vivas will lead the line tonight for Tormenta, with Diene relegated to the bench. Gabriel Alves will be one to look out for after a goal and an assist against Texoma last week, a performance that gave him Team of the Week honors. The Brazilian is a player that Coach Cameron has tried to sign for 3 years, and for their style of play, is the player that coaches dream of. What impact can he bring from the left-hand side tonight? Two teams of different styles, two teams of different ages. South Georgia Tormenta have been in USL League One since the beginning. One Knoxville in their 3rd season in the division. Tormenta have reached the mountaintop once in their tenure in USL League One, won it in 2022. One Knoxville with aspirations to get there. Tormenta hoping to get back to winning ways. Callum Johnson gets us underway from Covenant Health Park in beautiful Knoxville, Tennessee. We are underway. Back to the East Coast. Johnson takes. Header at the back post. Ball is loose and touched home. Haugli from 6 yards out puts Knoxville in front. The scruff's delighted. And Knoxville inside 15 minutes have the early lead. It's the Norwegian. The big man was in the right position, comes off Kempis tequila. Taken. It is Jimenez. Lofted to the back post. Drey back into the area. Here's Walker. Cabral from distance. Went through traffic. Scott McLeod will throw. All the way towards the 6-yard box. Austin Pack comes to punch. And it drops right to Mikkel Gøling to double the Knoxville lead. 39 minutes on the clock. And Mikkel Gøling gets his first goal since the opening weekend. And the Knoxville advantage is 2. Cruising on Rocky Top. Austin Pack came to punch. Corner kick brought to you by Precision Concrete Solutions. Tunbridge's cross. Lewis came to punch. Goes to the back post. Played across goal. Fantastic save by Lewis. Ball in the air. Lewis comes to punch. And then he falls on it. The initial punch was not good. But Nare from 5 yards out. Lewis makes the stop. Comes to punch. Brought a lot of what he learnt to USL League One. Daracostas felt he was fouled. Doesn't matter in the end because that is half time. Thabo Nare. Tunbridge. Drey. Shot from distance. Appreciation for the second goal scorer, Mikkel Gøling. Grabbed his second goal of the season in the 40th minute. Appalachian FC and Asheville City. See what he can do for Tormenta tonight. Here is Diene. Babacar Diene. Cuts to his right. What a run! What a save! He cut inside of Rashid really well through the legs. But the save from Austin Pack, his left leg. It's a fixture that Tormenta have lost 3 in a row now going into this game. If it stays as is, that will be your 4th, and that is a yellow card. Thabo Nare. Can Knoxville put the final nail in the coffin? Cross inside, Diene! Knoxville are dancing away with all 3 points. And for the first time this season, One Knoxville has scored 3 goals in a USL League One game. Babacar Diene grabs his first of the season. Look what it means to him and to Knoxville. Great ball from the right wing. Diene just waits. Here's Babacar Diene. One-on-one with Austin Pack. Babacar Diene around the goalkeeper. Oh, it's blocked on the line by Conor Doyle. Extraordinary. An extraordinary end. You would have thought after Babacar Diene rounded the goalkeeper, that was the 4th. And that one will trickle out of play, and that could be the final act. We nearly had another unbelievable finish. Daniela Chesky blows the final whistle. It could have been 4 for One Knoxville, but the final score